दी प्रोग्रेसिव उर्दू प्राइमरी स्कूल शोलापुर, स्टैंडर्ड 4th, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, created by Noorjahan Perampalli. Look at the table. Make a list of as many things as you can using the table below. नीचे की जदूल की मदद से ज़्यादा चीज़ों की फहरिस्त बनाइए. A packet of candles. A bunch of grapes. 5 kilograms of rice. 2 kilograms of sugar. 5 kilograms of flour. 2 meters of ribbon. 5 liters of milk. A packet of pencils. 5 meters of cloth. 2 sacks of rice. 2 liters of oil. 5 kilograms of salt. A bunch of flowers. Thank you.